Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the GMAT with a full-time job. First, assess your target GMAT score and how many hours you can realistically dedicate each week. Many successful test takers manage between 10 and 15 hours of study time weekly. Then, create a detailed study schedule, allocating specific hours daily, perhaps 1 to 2 hours on weekdays and longer blocks on weekends. Finally, identify your strengths and weaknesses across all GMAT sections to tailor your plan effectively. To optimize your study sessions, always utilize official GMAT materials. These provide the most authentic practice questions, crucial for understanding the exam's format. Break down your study sessions into focused, shorter blocks, perhaps 45 to 60 minutes each, to maintain concentration. Remember, prioritizing quality over quantity in your daily study efforts will yield better results. Focus on deep understanding, rather than just covering many topics superficially. Maximizing your limited time is key when balancing work and GMAT prep. Leverage your commute time for quick reviews, flashcards, or listening to GMAT podcasts. Consider investing in online courses or a tutor for structured guidance and personalized feedback, which can save you valuable time. Also, schedule regular mock tests, perhaps one every 2 weeks, to track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and build your test-taking stamina. Staying motivated and balanced throughout your GMAT journey is crucial for long-term success. Set small, achievable goals, like mastering a specific question type each week, to maintain momentum and build confidence. Incorporate short, 5 to 10-minute breaks during longer study sessions to prevent burnout and improve your overall focus. Finally, ensure you get adequate sleep and maintain good nutrition for optimal cognitive function and sustained energy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.